Miss Lola, they are a women's apparel company. Um, you know, Generally speaking, I'm not a big fan of emails that are this long, but there are some really great ideas in here that a lot of you can really leverage and a lot of different strategies. So the first thing that they're doing in the subject line is putting an exact time frame into when the pre-sale expires, right? As opposed to just saying it expires soon, 24 hours. Put hard, concrete numbers behind that. It's going to create more urgency, which is going to create more engagement. So really do like that subject line there. What else I like, what you can see is in the second image in the middle, towards the bottom, what they have are different influencers online that match that promote some of their products. And they have their handles on there. So they're going outside and going outside of what they normally do in terms of marketing, which is just email. And they're making people aware that, hey, we also have this social presence. And here are people that are big influencers that follow us. Check them out, right? Making that readily available. But the thing that I really, really like about this is they have a partnership with a company called Afterpay. So Afterpay allows you as the consumer to make a purchase for a product and then do installment payments of that. In this case, it's 4 equal payments over the course of time with zero interest at all. With the holiday season here, everybody's shopping. That's a great offer, right? Another great perk to working with Miss Lola, reducing the friction for the consumers to make that purchase. They're not giving them excuses not to buy, right? So they have that great financing option. Then they also have a location in Los Angeles, a physical store. So they're bringing more value for customers that want to do maybe curbside pickup, or if they want to give if those customers want that personal recommendation or feel, they're encouraging people to go into the store with the VIP in-store experience, right? Speak to an associate to give you that experience you're looking for. Then they're also adding in free worldwide shipping, and then also, right, guaranteeing happiness. It's a small little thing, but that makes a big difference. So really like the different value adds that they're having here and making them really visible in terms of the entire message.